It's exhibition showtime! Right in the middle for the jungle, Manabe against Flores and Robin Yellow right against number 1. Lazy in, that is the opening two by the team behind. Field goal connecting the 2-point game. 2-0 from Flores now. Flores finding the open man right in the corner, but one shot on three. Here's the number 8, puts it up and puts it in. Quickly is Wongo. Pilla now. Pilla finding. And prevalent violations by Flores. Exactly 7 minutes and 24 seconds. 3 and 2. A 1-point lead by the Team Navas. We are at the first quarter of the ball game. It was an exciting game, and we are inviting all the fanatics, basketball fanatics of Anito Bye-Bye to watch this exciting game. Tila Cruz take away 2 inside the frame and the elbow jumper. Now exactly 7 minutes and 58 seconds left. Ball position of the team behind. Jersey number 7 on Manalo. Winding up about jersey number 9. Aras by Pilla. And a pass to the inside, but there was a call there. And a pushing ball against jersey number 1. Flores first personal foul and first team foul against the Team Navas. Manalo for the Inda. Finding jersey number 90. Quick with the release. And bouncing home. It's got 6 minutes and 41 seconds. 6 and 3 to Robin. And Flores there, Robin. Exactly 6 minutes and 29 seconds. And a jump ball. To shoot. 9 to shoot. Huli ka balbon, traveling violation there. Balik natin ang ball ang dumang sa DFTD behind. Exactly 6 minutes and 26 seconds to go. Right here in first quarter of the ball game. 6 and 3. Lamak na lang 3. Itong dai behind team. White lang si Manabe. Finding Dingo. Dingo na. Dingo. Quarter by Dingo. Dila Cruz. Hesitation. Double team. Then we shoot. Tila Cruz serves out against Pilla. Tila Capilla. Huli ka balon. And denied by Pillano. Pilla now attacking to the open man. And a whistle and the ball against jersey number 7. Manalo first personal foul and a first team foul out that we behind the team. Exactly 6 minutes and 1 seconds right here in the first quarter. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Flores firing the 3-pointer, no, and the follow Pilla again connect. Pilayo on the downhill. Pilayo puts it up and puts it in. Exactly 5 minutes and 49 seconds. And the hassle that Pilla flies. Pilla puts it up and puts it in. Exactly 5 minutes and 38 seconds to 1-point lead. 7 and 6. 19 seconds on the shot. 15 seconds. Saliado, finding a better field goal. 12 to shoot. Field goal now. Now it's in. And whistle on the ball against JP. Jersey number 2. Pilayo. First personal ball and a second team foul against Team Navas. While ago, si jersey number 91. Go right on the center of the free line and the first time. Strongly, last one to my Peter goal. And completed the pass in the midst. Exactly 5 minutes and 22 seconds, 7 and 8. Now it's a 1-point lead by the PD behind. Sealon finding Flores. Silo now attacking. Right there in the sideways. Pilayo. Backs it home. Field with a quick release. And one. Basket is out the glass of our against. Jersey number 2. Pilayo second personal foul. And third team foul against Team Namas. This is the foul protocol should be aware of. You know, the Team Namas, while there's Virgo there. Virgo is one of Pilayo for the rebound. Finding Pilayo now to Silo. Silo there. Right downtown play. Firing the hole. Can't hit. Exactly for the 52nd. Goodbye, Philippines. Virgo. And a first time out to be called out by the Team Namas. This timeout is brought to you by Ami Salvat TV Live. Ami Salvat TV, play the game your way. Finding Villar. Against Salvador. Villar knocks it in. Left-handed to get connect. Silo there. Silo on the putback. Can't correct except for 36 seconds. Field there. Lost the handle. Silo and recover back. Villar loose against Flores. Puts it on the boots in. Except for 23 seconds. Flores robbing Yama. And the Team Navas. Flores. Villar. Flores there. And lost the handle of the ball. And a steal is stolen by the behind waist. One to number 8 now. Signing for the play. Exactly 17 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Pergo now. Coming with the Salvador. Pick the ball up. 9 to shoot. And the jumper. Mojo. Beat down. Pick the ball up. With Flores. Exactly 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 21 seconds on the shot clock. Flores there. And a whistle and a foul against jersey number 1. Second personal foul by De La Cruz and warning for penalty. Wala pa. There was the second personal foul, team foul against the Team Ibahay. While it comes to Flores, Wabinyama ng Team Namas. And the first one is off. By jersey number 9, Flores, exactly 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Flores sends it in. That was one bounce rate by Flores, exactly 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Dito po sa ating first quarter. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Big penetration there. And Salvador lost the handle. On the air, by the Villanueva. Villanueva against another team, and Sutherland by there's another individual, and the pass to the wrong man, while losing Villanueva na finding Kapit na ang Jalen Bronson ng Team Navas. Kapit, Jalen Bronson, finding ang Villanueva, firing, 3-pointer, can't hit. And a loose ball against jersey number 5, pushing ball against jersey number 5. First personal foul by jersey number 5. And a third team foul against the Team Ibahay. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 13 to shoot while this is Silo down. Silo, space, Silo there. Silo. And a solid. While this is the position. In and out. We are waiting for the rebound. Flores now attacking from the men's section. Flores nowhere to go. Flores to the side man. Silo there. Villanueva firing the hole. Dead hit. Exactly 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Round of De La Cruz. Dead hit. Flores up for the power rebound to Jalen Bronson, the beat. Exactly 2 minutes and 22 seconds. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Jalen Bronson dances with the ball. Finding up a man. Firing the hole for 3 off the mark. Exactly 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Substitution. Manalo. Check back into the game and Katipunan goes in for the Team Ibahay. Exactly 2 minutes and 13 seconds. While itong team na Navas is struggling from the 3-point area. They just can't find the rhythm of the 3-pointer. One comes here. Saliano. Exactly 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 15 to shoot. Just out of foul now. And a bounce pass. Quite strong. Exactly 1 minute and 50 para na reachable para sa si number 16. Bigger Weber. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Against the team Navas, exactly 1 minute and 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. Field goal, finding the other man. Hesitation, traffic, time to shoot. Pass to Saliano. Saliano on the air. Last big goal. Exactly 1 minute and 40 seconds. And a ground pass to the open man. Valero, jersey number 5. Elbow jumper, can't hit. Exactly 1 minute and 28 seconds. One goes in the pickup. Jalen Bronson, the beat, exactly 19 seconds on the shot clock. 17 to shoot. Tapin now, knocks it in. Tapin, puts it up and puts it in. Exactly 1 minute and 15 seconds. We're live again. And a block. Denied by Flores Ariana. And that is the block shot. It's being brought to you by Pioneer Elasticity. Right downtown 3. And boom. Villanueva firing the hole. While Ethan Solanoy, huli ka Balbon, and traveling violation of 55 seconds, another play clock. And time out. Team Ibahay lang. Isang kusel na lang tapos ng Pinas ka. 55.4 seconds. Right. To the end of the first period. And shot clock down on 19.
Baba, patron taas, elbow. Ha? Pwede man high screen. Down.
Mga kabatak, dito lang po yan sa ating bumbay-bay. Palikan 2026. 52 seconds. Now Indiano with number 16. 17 to shoot. Manave. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Huli ka Balbon. Traveling violation. That was a good goal there by referee Papa P. Piolo Pascual Perrocho. 39.5 seconds, 15 and 17. Paggabi Papa P. Pag-umaga, Albert Martinez Perrocho. Sa ilalim ang pasahan and digging the shield. Head. Pencil Lanoy finishing down the 2-point lead. 24 seconds. That was a wild pass. And a kick turnover for Team Navas. Substitution. And a 21-second shot clock is up. 21.8 seconds and out of the game clock. Shot clock is up. Game clock is winding down. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. And there was a foul there. And substitution field. Right in a couple of seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock is up. 14.4 seconds. Shot clock is up. Bet clock by 17. Pinapata na ang 17. Itong 17 ang binibahan. Last call, 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. And there was a count. A push it down against number 15.
5.
First turnover ball and the first team foul.
Doy. 5 seconds.
Warning.
5, 4.
Warning for penalty against Team Navas.
Hey, 4 seconds.
Second. Exactly 4 seconds. Another game for 4 seconds. Valdavid finding Solano there and the reverse. Time. That is the buzzer sound to end the first quarter of the ball game. Deadlock by 17 is the official score.